We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up GBP, CAD. We are on a 12-month time frame. Price action, last candle to the right-hand side. It's sitting as a bullish green candle with a little bit of a spike down to that low on that candle. Current price is sitting at 1.67787. So if price work its way up, it can head to the top of that second to last candle in the market, top of that candle's body, which near the numbers of 1.70484. And if price pushes down, it can head back down to the body of that second last candle where price of the body started off at, which would be near the numbers of 1.63589. So we can see price action is side by side with the second last candle, also is in that midpoint area of the second last candle. So we are in that consolidation. Also, second last candle has reading as a spike down, so it came and tagged that low area once again. So if you think about it as the area, this area having some type of support at the bottom, we can see that the market did come down to that support multiple times, even on this side here. So in total, we have market came down once, twice, came back up. So we have a W formation. Market came to retest that area, but it wasn't able to make it all the way down. Pushed back up to a midpoint of trying to push out for that W formation. Came back to a retest again with the second last candle that lost momentum with a spike down to that low into the zone area. And then price action started off right next to the second last candle, which is trying to create a formation of drawing from the beginning for that first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest, and market push out for that second push. Overall touches to the zone area will be a total of 3 touches if we add this side here. Zooming in the price. So now we headed down to the 6-month time frame. Let's see what's going on. So price action on the 6-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle, spike down to a low, second last candle, spike down to a low into that zone area. But also we can know that price action retest that second last candle. So as we walk down the time frame, it's going to read as a coming down in red for that first leg, second legs. When that market broke out, that price action came back to retest the second to last candle, midpoint area, and then we had some momentum to push up. So it's like a W formation in that area. So we'll identify as we walk down. Price action, 3-month time frame. Bullish green candle spike down to a low. So we're still seeing the retest of the midpoint. So we see that market spike down, pushed up, came back to retest with the momentum to push up. Walking down to the monthly time frame. Price action monthly time frame, bullish green candle, second last candle, third last candle, doji crosses, which created that consolidation. So we're waiting for the breakout. Fourth to last candle spike up to the high. So when that market came down, it pushed up to a high. Or I should say it pushed up to that midpoint area. Market pushed down, came back to retest, and then we had that consolidation, which the current price action is breaking out of an area. So we can see that formation of that double bottom that we did talk about that was drawing itself out. So here we go for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and we can see that fourth leg trying to push out. Now this market still can be denied and pull back and reverse. So we definitely looking for the engulfment towards the fourth to last candle of the market of that fourth last candle wick of that high. So once that price action gets to that area, so let me give you guys some numbers. So nearing the numbers of 1.68354, we're still looking for probably a break and retest depending on the time frame that we are on. Or it may just identify on the monthly time frame a bullish green candle push all the way out. working our way to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we have price action as a bullish green doji, second last candle dojis as well. So these two dojis are weak candles with the consolidation, but we can see the incline in them is why they're pushing up. Also, it spiked down to a low, so the price action candle with that long wick tagged the second last candle. The second last candle tag near the midpoint of the third last candle, so it's making levels as it's trying to push and break out. So let's see what is being drawn out in that area. So we can see that W formation right on the left hand side. So we have that first, second, third, fourth. Okay, and also this whole area that because we do know this area is in consolidation, and with the SR lines that we did on the 12-month time frame, it created a zone, as we can see. So to make it simple, we look for the market to break out the zone, to retest, to push up further. And if it's rejected at this area here, then we'll see that market tag that area of that midpoint of that zone solid twice. Overall touches to that area or into that area will be 3 times. So we'll see that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. And if it's denied, it'll have that market break out to the top of that zone. The market be coming down for a double top and retest. May not drop all the way down, could tag the area of the zone before working its way back up, so it coming back for a retest, or it can tag the midpoint between the zones that we did create. We're gonna wait to the daily time frame. Price action daily time frame reading as a bullish green doji, second last candle, bullish green doji as well, spiked down to a low. So what the second last candle did was came back to retest the previous side, and then the price action is trying to push out towards the second last candle. So it's drawing out some type of first, second retest with the momentum to push and then consolidate it sideways. So it could be drawing out a double top in that area overall, or could be identifying a retest, and if price action push up is coming from identified as the push, the retest, and you see that market break out with the price action of the following candle. 4-hour time frame receiving consolidation, price and second last candle side by side. So that market's consolidating. So we're going to see if it's going to break up to come back to retest before it pushes up to a following level. Working our way to a 3-hour time frame. Price action 3-hour time frame, bullish green candle spike down to a low. Still dojis. Price action just consolidating with price second, and on the top side of the third to last candle, still waiting for the breakout to the top side or bottom side. Very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys. GBP CAD.